In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove members from Trello. Whether you're managing a project or simplifying your workspace, there are times when you need to refine the list of people who have access. I'll walk you through each step of this process, so let's dive right in and make your Trello boards cleaner and more organized. To kick things off, you'll need to log into your Trello account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account that has administrative privileges on the board or workspace from which you'll be removing members. Now let's focus on how to remove a member from a specific Trello board. First, navigate to the board that contains the member you wish to remove. This will be the starting point for eliminating unwanted access. Once you're inside the board, direct your attention to the top right corner and click on the Share button. This is where you'll find the list of all current members. Within this list, identify the guest, member, or colleague you aim to remove. You can do this easily by looking for their name or avatar. After locating their entry in the list, look for the drop-down menu next to their name. Clicking this drop-down will reveal an option labelled Remove from Board. Select this option and you'll be prompted with a confirmation to proceed with the removal. Simply click Remove to finalise the action, and just like that, the member no longer has access to that particular board. Now, let's move on to removing a member from a Trello workspace entirely. Start by returning to your Trello homepage. This is the central hub from where you can manage all boards and members across your workspace. From here, find the specific workspace from which you wish to remove the member. To do this, click the drop-down arrow next to the workspace's name, which will uncover a menu with several options. Among these options, you will see Members. Selecting this will display a complete list of people who have access to the workspace. Look through this list and find the member you're planning to remove. Once again, next to their name, you'll see the option Remove. Click it and you will then be presented with a further option to remove from workspace. This step ensures they are no longer part of the entire workspace, not just an individual board. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage who has access to your Trello boards and workspaces. Keeping your Trello environment up to date not only enhances security, but also ensures that your workflow remains streamlined and effective. I hope this guide has been helpful, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a quick refresher on managing members in Trello. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.